Hello friends, welcome to the Developer A to Z channel. I am Tank Hitesh. We are going to cover today topic is reversal money inside the outsourcing platform. So what is the reversal money? First of all, we will discuss that point. So let me explain you all thing in deeply in brief way. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, if you are working with any project, so think that project value or worth is $100. If you complete that project within your timeline, within your client timeline, and if you get that payment also from your client, after some time your client will release your review also. So after completing your project, after some time your client can put reversal on your money. Means reversal means he can charge back that money which he paid for that particular project. So you will think, guys, there is no rights to get that money back to that client because we work on that project, he satisfied, he get his perfect work, after he release that money, so he have no rights to charge back. But sometimes it will happen in this type of platform. So how they can get that reversal, what is the reason? So why they are not preventing, why that freelancer or Upwork or go lancer or that types of platform not preventing that type of things? So they have also some limit, they cannot do anything from that type of client. Okay, so let me explain all things how you can fight with that type of client. So guys, I am not sure you will get success about that type of client, but many times you will get reversal that money from your client also. So if you did that project, if your client is getting that money back, so what is the reasons why they are getting the chargeback? If your client, not that point guys, if your client putting a payment method as a PayPal or credit card, okay, or PayPal or credit card or AMC banking, that type of banking are providing them to get money within some time. They can put reversal charge back within any timeline, so they will get money their bank account. So what will be procedure there, guys? If they will put that type of reversal, so after some time that type of people will say to freelancing team, I want my charge back. He can put from his bank directly. If that thing will happen, so this guy will get their money back in their account. Okay, but freelancing have some limits, they cannot, they need to directly give that money to them, those guys. So first of all guys, you will think that is not fair with the developer, but don't worry guys, you don't need to worry about that, what you will do if that type of client will do that thing. So you have some evidence with your work. Okay, like if you done that work, so if you have all evidence, like first of all, your evidence is he is happy with your work, so he will give definitely 5 star also. So he's happy with your work. After you are asking in last that job is done, so client is satisfied, yeah, he will definitely satisfy, that's why he is releasing that money. So you can gather that all evidence and you can give to freelancing team. Okay, after then that freelancing team will put one chargeback fight with that particular bank or particular that employer. Okay, so what will be there, guys? So they can put that chargeback fight, and that guy will get a notice, like that is type of evidence they like we submit. So you will check that and that type of concern with your employee. So you need to solve that point and you need to refund that money. Freelancing is not taking, or any platform are not taking guarantee for that money, but they are giving a perfect fight to those type of client. And if they are not getting the money back, so what they are doing, they are not providing to again that account to open those type of employer. Okay, so that is a one fear of the client, they cannot use that account and they cannot try to that same proof and make a new account inside the freelancing. Okay, so that is a thing, you can get your reversal money back like that. But you should, what you should do to prevent that type of client? First of all, okay, so first of all, check guys, when that guys is when that your employer are putting that project, you should check all his details. First of all, check his all verification things, payment verification, identity verifications, and mobile verification, email verifications, and all thing you should check. First of all, if he's first of all check like he's verified with all things, so you can work with that guy. And another things, don't go directly if he have a 2 to 3 reviews directly with a small amount. So sometimes that type of client are making a small project and try to getting those money back also. So if that client have this client is trustworthy, so you can work with this client. Okay, first of all check his project amount also, how what is type of project he's creating, and he is fully first of all identify with the freelancing team, so you can work with this type of client. If he have not verified anything, so you can first of all mail to freelancing team also, this guy is perfect to work or not. If they are saying yeah he is good, so you can start work, because freelancing are checking the payment method, they are doing whatever. Okay, but sometimes it will be happen, this type of things happen, they also verified also, after some time he's trying to charge back money. It is also happening in this time. So some guys are saying to me, my friend also saying me, that is one business that is happening everywhere, but you can do your by yourself, or you are all checking if it is good, so you can work this type of client. Otherwise you can skip that type of client, and you can work your old client, or whoever a good understanding, and whoever a good guy in the freelancing team who have a good reviews, you can go with this type of client only. So this thing about the reversal money, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries about the freelancing thing, so you can ask me, you can message me, you can inbox me in my chat box there, you can do anything, guys. So please like, share, subscribe my video, and support me to making this type of video. Thanks, have a great day.